So children, today I'll discuss how to multiply decimal numbers. There are two types of multiplications you are going to do. One is decimal number multiplied with whole number. Second is decimal number multiplied with another decimal number. So let us take the first case. First example is 0.2 into 3. So let me tell you children what steps you are going to follow. In case of multiplication of decimal numbers, you just ignore the point, ignore the decimal point in the number and just go for simple multiplication. Point को सोचो कि है नहीं तो बाकी जो दो नंबर बचे उनको मल्टीप्लाई करो. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द प्रोडक्ट आई विल टेल यू वेयर टू पुट द decimal point in the product. So let us take one example. 0.2 into 3, this is decimal number, this is whole number. So in 0.2, 2 is this is a decimal number, this is a whole number, so ignore point. So what is left? 0.2 means 2, so 2 into 3, you know 2 3s are 6, so write 6. But this is not the answer क्योंकि हमारा क्वेश्चन 2 नहीं था, 0.2. So after writing 6, now you consider how many total number of decimal places are there in the question. So here first number decimal place is 1. Here no decimal place. So total 1 decimal place. So in the answer also there should be 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place कैसे रहेगा? यहाँ point डालोगे. So 1 decimal place. So answer is 0.6. Second example 1.2 into 7. So 1.2 ignore the point. So ये क्या होगा? Point हट जाए तो this is 12 and this is 7. So 12 sevens are right 84. Then you have to put the point in the answer क्योंकि ये final answer नहीं है. Now count the total number of decimal places. इसमें कोई decimal place नहीं है. Here only 1 decimal place, so answer may be 1 decimal place. कैसे? From the right hand side you count 1. इधर से नहीं, right hand side. So एक count किए digit, so point. So answer is 8.4. Third example, if you take 2.05 into 47. So remove the point or ignore the point. So it is 205 means 205. 205 multiply by 47. If you go for simple multiplication, your answer is 9635. After finding this, write this question again क्योंकि ये final answer नहीं है, इसमें point डालना है तो यहाँ नहीं डाल के हम final में डालेंगे. So you write 2.05 means which is the actual question into 47 is equals to, you write 9635. Then again you count how many total decimal places are there. So 2, यहाँ तो डेसिमल प्लेस है नहीं क्योंकि 0.0 है. सो 2 है तो यहाँ भी 2 डेसिमल प्लेस होना चाहिए. सो यू स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. Count 2 places, 1 2, then point is here. So the answer is 96.35. Fourth example, if you take 0.293 into 5, here you can do orally. So just ignore the point. So multiply 1 digit तो कर सकते हो. 5 3s are 15, carry 1. 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46, carry 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. So write 14 and 5 zeros are 0. Now count decimal places. Total 3. Here decimal places is 0. So 3. So यहाँ भी 3 होने चाहिए. From the right hand side count 1 2 3. After 3 places put a point. So this is the answer. Then the second type is how to multiply a decimal number with another decimal number. So let us take one example. 0.2 into 0.3. Same process you have to follow. Ignore the point. Point को भूल जाओ. क्या है ये? 0.2 means 2. 0.3 means 3. So 2 3s are 6. Write 6. But you have to write the point in the answer. Now again count the total number of decimal places. In the first number there is 1 decimal place. In the second number also there is 1 decimal place. Okay, so total इसमें एक 2 decimal places. So in the answer you will also have 2 decimal places. तो count from the right hand side 1, लेकिन दूसरा है नहीं, so put a 0. So 2 places, यहाँ total 2 place, here also 2 places, 1 2 then point. And यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, so 0.06 is the answer. You can compare these two. Okay. Then example 2, 0.08 into 0.9. Again same thing, ignore the point. What do you get? 008 means simply 8. 0.9 point ignored 9. So 8 into 9, थोड़ा गैप रख के लिखो 72. But again you have to put point. So count the total decimal places. Here 2, here 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So यहाँ भी 3 places के बाद comma from point after or you will start counting from the right hand side. 3 places चाहिए, 1 2 then third place 0 then point. So it is 0.072. Similarly third example, 0.14 into 1.25. So you see 1.25 has 3 digits. So इसको पहले लिखो, इसको बाद में लिखो, पॉइंट को रिमूव करो और इग्नोर करो. So 125 into 14. After multiplication you get 1750. Then write again this question. यहीं पे मत रोकना क्योंकि ना ही इसमें पॉइंट देना, पॉइंट हमें लास्ट में आंसर में चाहिए. So you write again the question 0.14 into 1.25. Write again this 1750. Then count total decimal places, or let me remove it, मैं थोड़ा जगह छोड़ के लिखती हूँ. 1750. Then you count how many decimal places? 2. Here 2. whole number part नहीं गिनना है. 2 places. So 2 plus 2 total 4. So count 1 2 3 4. Then point. So answer is 0.1750. So in this way you are going to multiply the numbers. Now one interesting question I want to discuss with you. Suppose it is given if 1135 into 72 is 81,720, then find these. Okay, now see, this is very easy. First one is find the answer 11.35 into 72. You do not have to multiply actually. ये देखो आंसर दे ही दिया गया है. See, the digits are same, 1135 1135, 72 72. So इन दोनों को जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे you had to remove the point or ignore the point. So यही मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So you know आंसर यही आना चाहिए. So you just write 81720. लिख दो, ये पहले से ही दिया गया है. Okay, but ये आंसर नहीं है. You have to put the point क्योंकि ये तो होल नंबर था, यहाँ तो डेसिमल प्लेसेस हैं. So similarly count total how many decimal places are there? 2. यहाँ नहीं है कोई डेसिमल प्लेस क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद कुछ नहीं है. So 2. So here also you should have 2 decimal places in the answer. So count from the right hand side जैसे पहले कर चुके हो. 1 2. So point is here. Simply इसको लिखना है और पॉइंट डेसिमल प्लेस गिन के पॉइंट डालना है. नंबर बी अगेन सेम 113572 113572, बस पॉइंट दे दिया है. So ignoring point your answer will be same 81720. थोड़ा यहाँ गैप छोड़ के रखना क्योंकि हो सकता है 0 पुट करना पड़े. So you should have some space here. Now count the decimal places. यही आंसर आना चाहिए बट पॉइंट अभी पुट करना है. So total यहाँ 3 यहाँ 1. So 3 plus 1 4 decimal places you need. So count from the right hand side 1 2 3 4 point. So this is the answer. Third one same 113572. So write 81720. Then total decimal places 4 and here 2, total 6. So 1 2 3 4 5, but you need 6. So one more 0 then point. So answer is 0.08170.